Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix the stylish fonts not working on your Instagram story. This is the feature on the Instagram. You can find a stylish fonts on the Instagram story, but if you don't find it on your Instagram, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Play Store and search for the Instagram from here, and you will see a update button with your Instagram. Simply you have to update your Instagram application from here if it is not already updated. First of all, try this step. If it's not working, simply go to the settings of your phone and click on the apps and the notification, and you have to search for the Instagram from here. Search for the Instagram. Once you will search for it, you have to click on the storage and the cache and click on the clear storage from here. Once you will clear your storage from here, maybe your problem will be solved. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.